Hey there, freelancers and aspiring entrepreneurs. Welcome back to the Lifetime Freelancing Coach, the go-to place for tips and tricks on making it big in the freelancing world. Now, if you're looking to dominate Fiverr and skyrocket your gig to the first page, you're in the right place. I'm Colette, a top-rated plus freelancer with over 1 million earned on platforms like Upwork, and today I'm spilling the beans on how to rank your Fiverr gig to the first page. Stick around because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs that will have clients knocking on your virtual door. Tip 1. Understand Fiverr's game. Imagine you're a CEO of Fiverr. What's in the platform that's your best interest? It's all about converting visitors into a repeated customer. To do that, sellers giving positive experiences rank higher. So start thinking like a CEO and focus on delivering the best possible customer service. Positive reviews and repeated customers are your golden tickets to the first page. Tip 2. Think like a business owner. You're not just a freelancer, you're a business owner. Think about how to bring in a consistent stream of income. Fivers love consistency, and if you can hit a repeat buyer score of 95, you'll even get a special badge. Steady income not only keeps you afloat, but also lines Fiverr's pocket, making them love you even more. Tip 3. Crack the buyer's satisfaction code. Buyer satisfaction is a secret sauce to Fiverr's success. Your buyer satisfaction score, akin to a credit score, determines your privilege on the platform. Positive public and private reviews, along with metrics like response time and order delivery, impact the score. So respond quickly, communicate well, and provide a service that wows your clients. Tip 4. Deliver value at every step. Value is the magic word. Provide value at every stage of the customer journey. When a client messages you, respond with a personalized message showing you understand their needs. Throughout the order, maintain high-quality communication, offer unlimited revisions, and most importantly, deliver something of exceptional quality. Tip 5. Embrace psychological primers. Ever wonder why some businesses give freebies? It's a psychological primer to boost satisfaction. Apply the same principles on Fiverr. Create a one-page document with tips related to your service. Design it professionally and send it to your client upon purchase. It primes them for satisfaction and keeps them engaged while awaiting the delivery. Now, before we dive into our next tip, I've got an exciting announcement. In the upcoming video, I will be revealing how you can supercharge your Fiverr gig with SEO using a free tool. That's right, it's free. So here's my question for you. Are you ready to take control of your Fiverr destiny and learn the secrets of gig SEO for free? Drop a yes in the comment below if you're up for the challenge, and let's conquer the Fiverr game together. And there you have it, the step-by-step guide on how to rank your Fiverr gig on the first page. If you found these tips helpful and are excited about the upcoming SEO video, then don't forget to subscribe the button for more exclusive content. And if you are serious about taking your Fiverr game to the next level, then check out the link in the description for personalized Fiverr consulting. Thank you for tuning in, freelancers, and until next time, be freelantastic.